Hello, welcome to the KlinKode ShipRight app tutorial series. Today, I'll show you how to hide any shipping methods for single items quantity using the ShipRight app. First, go to the ShipRight app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Now, click on Add a New Condition button. Select the Single Items Quantity option. Now, set the Hide If More Than field to 3. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Add your desired shipping methods under the Select Shipping Methods field. I have selected Standard Shipping. If you don't see the desired shipping method names there, you can add them manually in the Additional Shipping Methods field. Make sure the shipping names match exactly as they are in your Shopify shipping and delivery settings. We will hide standard shipping if the quantity of any product in the checkout is more than 3. Finally, click on the Save button. Now let's test our rule. We already have added 2 products to the cart, and each product has a quantity of less than 3, and as you can see, standard shipping is still visible on the checkout page. Now, let's increase the quantity of any product to more than 3, and see if standard shipping gets hidden. As you can see, the standard shipping payment method is gone. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!